Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Soil here, and today I want to teach you how to use Binance Futures Calculator, which is a very useful tool for trading on Binance Futures market. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. On Binance Futures platform, here by clicking on this icon, the calculator will be opened. Here we have different tabs. Each of them has its own functionality and use case in practice, which I'll explain them one by one with examples so you will learn how and when to use each of them. Let's begin with P&L. Here in this tab, by providing the entry price, exit price, and the amount that you want to buy, it gives you the result on initial margin, P&L, and ROE, return on equity, which is the percentage of profit or loss that you will make at the end. Here we have two tabs, long and short. If you're going to open a long position, select long, and if it's going to be a short position, select short. Consider we want to calculate the results for a long position. Here we set the leverage by the help of this slider. Let's set it on 20. Here we enter the entry price. For example, let's set the entry price on 60,000. Here the exit price, let's set it for example on 65,000. And here you enter the amount you want to buy. Consider we want to buy 1 Bitcoin. We click on calculate. And here's the result. The initial margin is 3,000 USDT, which means that with leverage of 20 on the entry price of 60,000 USDT, it costs 3,000 USDT to buy 1 Bitcoin. Here it shows the P&L. It's actually profit, 5,000 USDT profit, because the exit price is higher than the entry price. And here it shows ROE, return on equity, which is approximately 166%. 166% of our initial margin. This is the percentage of profit we make if we buy 1 Bitcoin at 60,000 with leverage of 20 and we sell it at 65,000. To show you how the loss look like if we set the exit price lower than the entry price, let's set it on 57,000. We click on calculate, and this is the result. So if the market goes against us and we exit our trade on 57,000, we would have 3,000 USDT loss. It would be 100% loss, 100% of our initial margin. All right, now let's go to the next tab, target price. Here by providing the leverage, the entry price, and the ROE, actually the percentage of profit that you have in your mind and you like to have that, it gives you the target price, the price that must be reached to make your condition true. For example, the leverage is on 20. The entry price, let's set it on 60,000. And consider we like to have 200% profit. We click on calculate, and this is the target price. If the price of Bitcoin reaches to 66,000, we will have 200% profit. So with leverage of 20, if we enter at 60,000 and we desire to have 200% profit, this becomes true if the price reaches to 66,000. All right, moving on to the next step, liquidation price. Here, by providing some information, it gives us the liquidation price, the price that will get liquidated if the market goes against us. Here we can choose the margin mode, cross or isolated. The margin mode directly affects how or when we get liquidated. In another video, I completely explain cross mode and isolated mode, their differences and their use cases. The link is also in the description of this video, and I recommend you to watch it later if you don't know what they are and how they differ from each other. We continue with cross margin, and here you can choose between one-way mode and hedge mode. These are actually the trading mode that you can select on Binance Futures platform. I have a complete guide on this, and there I completely explain every detail regarding these modes. The link is also in the description of this video, and I recommend you to watch it later so you will learn how you can take advantage of hedge mode for managing risk. Let's continue with one-way mode for now. The leverage is on 20, and let's set the entry price on 60,000, the amount 1 Bitcoin. And in the balance, we must enter our account balance. For example, let's enter 10,000. We click on calculate, and here it is, our liquidation price, which is 50,200 USDT. So if the market goes against us and reach to 50,200 USDT, our position will get liquidated. Please pay attention that here it's considered that this is the only position, and this result is a kind of in isolated condition. If we change the mode to isolated and repeat this, you can see that the result is the same. But when we are in cross mode and there are more than one positions, it's not like this. Here also it explains that when liquidation price is calculated, open positions also will be taken into consideration. Actually, unrealized P&L and maintenance margin of open positions will also play a role in the calculation of liquidation price. For more explanation on this, please watch my video cross versus isolated. The link is in the description below this video, so you will completely understand this. Alright, let's go to the next step, max open. Here, by setting the leverage, entry price, and our balance, it will tell us how many of the coins selected here we can have open position on that, long or short. Here in this list, we can select our desired coin. Let's continue with Bitcoin. The leverage is on 20, and here we enter the entry price or last price by clicking on this. Let's enter 60,000. And for the balance, let's enter 10,000. We click on calculate, and here it shows the maximum number of open positions on BTC is 3. Actually, with leverage of 20, our 10,000 USDT becomes 200,000 USDT, and with this much of USDT at the price 60,000, the maximum open positions on BTC will be 3. For example, if we change the entry price to 50,000, you can see that the max open will be 4. 200,000 USDT divided by 50,000 equals 4. The maximum number of BTC, actually maximum number of open positions on BTC contracts will be 4. And the last tab is open price. This is useful when you open positions on different prices and different amounts, and here it calculates for you your entry average price. So based on the current price of the market, you can evaluate your total positions. Here we select our desired coin. Let's continue with BTC. And for the first position, consider we enter at 52,000 with the amount of 1 Bitcoin. By clicking on add position, another row will be added. Consider again on 54,000, we buy 1.5 Bitcoin. And on 57,000, another 2. And on 60,000, we buy half Bitcoin. We click on calculate, and here's the average price, 55,400. This price is actually a break-even level for us. If the price declines and falls to this level and we close our positions at this price, there is neither profit nor loss. Lower than this price will be loss, and higher than this level will be profit. Binance Futures Calculator is a very handy tool that can help you a lot when you're trading on Binance Futures market. I try to explain every detail about this simple calculator, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you found any value in this video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.